Alright, so finally I have received the ONEMIX 2S with i7 processor 8500Y, and I decided to do some tests of speed and performance, and I found using freezer that the main problem comes from overheating and improper cooling of the system. I decided first to do some tests with lower voltage of core and lower voltage of graphics. I decided to reduce it by 0.060, and finally I started tests of Passmark and then Passmark CPU test and graphics test. Performance without lowering voltage was about 260, 270. During the first test with the lowered voltage but without further modifications, the gain was noticeably high. It was about 15% because final result of Passmark was at 290. But good performance was visible only for the first 15 seconds. Then the speed of the rendering was highly reduced. Alright, so next steps were measuring the speed of the processor and graphic card in a Passmark, then testing in 3D Mark, it's almost 800, test in refrigerator to prove that the temperature is main problem, yeah, it's again 827. Disassembly, I decided to disassemble the ONEMIX. I removed the cooler. It was a cooling paste here, so I cleaned that. I used the professional cooling liquid and assembled it again, and as we can see, the performance was improved to 858. Of course without using refrigerator. And Passmark CPU mark gain was astonishing. Just please wait till the end. So here we have a final result. Which is almost 5,000, 4,933. This is a huge gain, and about 20% faster than before, and very stable work without noise of cooling system. I have started also the 3D Mark. You can just wait till end if you want. The result was also better than before, so now I'm satisfied because this ONEMIX 2S seems to be really fastest 7-inch notebook.